guess what? I got my tactic. Hey guys, what's up? If that breaks, I'm dead.
Oh, maybe it hasn't slowed down because we can't really say it's slowed down.
It's kind of like, it hasn't slowed down, but the rain has slowed down, that's all. The lightning's still like...
Hey guys, I'm back. We're currently giving you an update on the storm. The rain's currently slowed down, it's still sprinkling.
Yeah,
but the thunder and lightning is still going. The winds stopped and all that. So we can stand out here now and get some good footage for you without anything to see. Still thunder and lightning everywhere. It's really dark. It's possible to see. So yeah.
Whoa.
That was really bright.
Oh my god, did you see it up there?
Yeah.
It was cloud to cloud. I'm not sure if I got it or not.
I'm not sure if I did either.
Hopefully this is so we just came from dinner. Nice.
Yeah, we've just finished dinner. I had the chicken burger. It was so yum.
I had chicken snitty and chips with gravy. Yum yum yum.
Oh, it's starting to get heavy again.
It is? A little bit, yeah.
Yeah, it's getting heavier and the wind's coming back.
Wind's coming back. So I think it's gone like this way. Oh my god. I just put it and lightning happened. Let's see if that happens again. Okay, no. So I think it's gone from over there and it's gone all the way.
No,
I think
it's coming this way.
No, it's come from that way.
Oh shit.
Why does that happen? Anyway, it's come from that way, but I think the wind has changed it and it's pushing it back this way. I'm gonna go over to that middle part. I don't care.
We're gonna go into the middle part. We might die, so we'll do it.
It's on camera. Just so let's see what I get. $10 venue factor.
Attention everybody, James Williams, you've got a phone call.
I got a free spin.
Free spin. Yeah, you got the same as me. Okay, and let's go. Go.
We're back up on here. It's
So like
actually
now we can like go over that way and like film over this way.
Ooh.
Oh my god!
Okay.
What the hell? Oh, I got that too. What the hell was that? That was mad.
That was like...
Okay, I thought it's gonna be like loud thunder.
It's picking up like big time, mate.
I'm gonna go over there
Yeah.
and
same.
chill over there.
I'm gonna chill over.
Okay, let's go. And now we can just chill down. Sit.
I'm just getting the chair, sorry.
Yeah, get out of my view. Oh, it's dripping through the roof.
Is it wet? The chairs are wet.
It is? Mine's not.
I just got a different chair.
Whoa. That's my chair, but don't move it. The rain's getting heavier, guys. I'm just gonna race out here very quickly.
Yeah, we're just gonna quickly race out here.
Race out. So this is like where we are.
We're in, say, Swansea.
Yeah. Oh my god, I'm getting back in.
Yeah, we can't let back in. It's actually straight away in an instant. Let's stay here. If it happens once, it's gonna happen again.
And that's like loud thunder as well, guys. So.
That's big time thunder right there for you. There's gonna be a blackout sometime tonight, I reckon, guys.
Yeah. I'm going to be playing Xbox. I'll be playing Need for Speed Hot Pursuit or GTA 5.
We'll probably be calling.
We'll be calling. I'll probably be like putting it in my video too and all that stuff. I've just sent this all through to me because I'm filming on my mum's phone right now. So
yeah. So it's currently getting heaps worse. The cars are going still pretty fast. Full.
Can you film very quickly? I want you to film me. Don't that's gonna. That's got it.
currently out here in the storm. Andrew's telling people to slow down because they're going to crash.
Raining? It's the car. It's so warm. Like my brother did. So if you didn't hear what I just said, I was trying to tell him to slow down and don't hit a stone wall like my brother did. Not going to mention names. Unless you know.
And it's not me, just saying guys. It's
No.
not me. I'm not his brother, I'm his cousin.
Sadly. I mean, Laura, you said that.
You want to go get some over there?
Yeah. So we're
We're
going to
gonna
go
run
right over there. So,
3.
no, I'm not going to go right there. I'm going to go up here where it's not dripping down. Whoa. So we can just film right here.
Alright, don't worry.
Be quiet, be quiet. She's on the phone. So,
So we've got to be quiet. now.
Gotta be
She's
quiet.
on the phone. But she's off the phone or
no.
start talking.
Whoa, that went straight into my phone. Oh, not my phone, but I didn't get the phone. That was a heavy drop.
Yeah.
The storm's pretty bad, eh?
It is pretty bad. I just spoke to my husband in
Yeah.
Sydney and he said that it was like a tornado went through there. Trees are down everywhere.
Really?
And yeah, so
Whereabouts
and it's
in
heading
Sydney?
east.
Can we video you saying this?
So no.
No? Okay, so. Is
Yeah,
it
no,
your
this
voice?
is
Your
saying
voice?
for YouTube.
Just asking before we actually do it.
Yeah,
that's
no,
all.
I
So is
appreciate
your,
it.
is your voice okay?
This
So
is-
talking is okay, but no face?
Yeah, what are you doing? YouTube. YouTubing.
Yeah.
yeah.
You little YouTubers,
Yeah. We're
Lord
just
love
starting
you.
out, so.
Yeah, well look, it's heading this way. So.
Yeah. I think it's gone from like that way, and it's gone that way.
Yeah, well
And I
it's
think
coming
it's-
from
and that's-
Sydney coming this way.
So it's gonna hit.
It's
So
gonna
it's
hit
gonna
pretty
come
bad.
straight over here.
It will hit
It'll
us
hit-
here. Yeah.
Does it? It'll hit Newcastle then too, eh?
Yeah, absolutely it will.
Yes, I can get some more
It'll be
time.
all coastal.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh,
They
I'm
should-
gonna,
I
be
wish-
in my room till like I'm staying that way because it's not school night, so thank God. But I'm gonna be up playing Xbox, and next second it's probably gonna be like this blackout, be like,
What the hell happened?
what the hell? But like actually like because I have my dog in there. Oh my God! But like
Yeah.
I have my dog in there, so I feel more safe with him in there than.
Yeah, my dog's so scared he needs to be beside you too, otherwise he eats his way through the door. But
No, my dog's chill. Like through the April storm,
yeah.
he was like this.
Oh really?
He did not care. He
Oh,
didn't know.
that's
He
good.
did not care one single bit.
Yeah, because lots of
Except
dogs
except
hate
for like the
storms.
really 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 loud ones, like
Yeah.
when the lightning hits middle or
And
something
it
like that.
bang,
My
bang.
dog
Yeah.
just
Does
doesn't
it big-
care.
Oh,
Yeah,
I feel
but
that.
your dog didn't go through that April storm. Mine did.
Well, it did.
No, it didn't. Yours is only 1 year old.
Oh yeah, it didn't.
Mine ate through secure mesh to get into the house
Oh.
on the back door.
See, like me and my mum were debating: do we leave our dog outside,
Yeah.
risk it, or put him in the sunroom where he could have a slight little chance of getting out, or put him right inside where he can't get out? We're like,
And what'd you do?
we just left him in the sunroom because my brother works at Cameron's Warehouse, Charlestown,
Yeah.
and we live at Charlestown,
Yeah.
and he finished at 8.
So he could have got home and been with the dog or let the dog out or in. Smart thinking. Smart
Because he
thinking.
does lick a lot,
He licks.
so we don't want him licking anything like the couch or nothing.
Oh.
And
he likes
and
to lick furniture, does he?
and chew
That's
a
so
little bit.
cute.
So we
What
don't.
sort
We
of
don't.
dog?
We got a little Sheltie,
Oh, how cute.
5-year-old Sheltie.
Oh, how
I
cute.
can show you a picture.
Yeah, show me a picture.
I'll be right back.